Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias and I hope you're doing fine. It's been a while since my last Lightroom tutorial video and I recently found out an outstanding color grading trick I cannot keep to myself. I need to share this with you. The Lightroom Filters trick I'm about to show you will allow you to keep full control of each and every color and tone of your photo in a pretty easy and intuitive way. Wait for the intro because this is a life changer. If you've been here with me for a while, you've probably seen me go through other Lightroom tips and tricks before. Most of them are things I've known for a long time. But the trick I'll talk about today is totally new to me and, oh man, it is a life changer. I will teach you to use Lightroom filters in a way I've seen very little people talk about. Maybe most people don't know it yet. I mean, maybe you know it, and if you do, please let me know if I'm the only one who had never heard about it before. But I think it's going to be new to most of you also. So I gotta spread the word because it's a banger. Ready? So let's go. Choose your photo. I'm going to use this photo I took a couple of days ago because I think it is a good one to show you what this feature can do, as you will be able to see how much we can do to the sky with just a few clicks. First, I'm going to select this radial filter and I'll do something unconventional here. I will place it out of the photo, so whatever changes I do to this will affect the actual entire photo as you see here. If you want to see what the filter is affecting on your photo, just hit O on your keyboard and here you'll see a red mask representing the affected area. So after you selected your filter and placed it outside your photo, you will go to Range Mask down here, Luminance, Show Luminance Mask so that you can see what exact areas of your photo are being affected. And here you can change the range of the photo you want to adjust so that you'll be able to play with the shadows only, to the highlights only, or to the midtones only. With this, you can adjust the luminance to very specific areas of your photo. So for this first filter, I'm going to use the shadow range. You can just adjust the smoothness to make the adjustment softer or harder around the selected area also. And after that, you can also play with the exposure and other settings, and it'll only affect the selected areas with your range mask. When you do this, you maximize the dynamic range of your photo and you can easily make adjustments to very specific areas of your photo. After you do this with your shadows, you can do the same with your highlights. You create a new filter, Show Luminance Mask, select the highlights range here, and then adjust the settings up here until they look good to you. Do you see how much dynamic range we got back into this photo just by adjusting this? Another great thing you can do with the Range Mask tool is to change the color of very specific parts of your photos. In this case, you will not use the mask out of the photo. Instead, you will use it over the actual part of the photo you want to have the color changed. So what you'll do is you will select the brush or the radial filter, for example, and then you go to Range Mask, Color, click over here, then click over the color you want to adjust on the photo, and again, if you hit O, you can see what it is affecting. And then you can make all the specific adjustments you want to that specific selected area on your photo. A good tip for the ones of you who want to keep a beautiful Instagram feed is to always add a certain tone to your highlights and or your shadows, like this for example. It'll make it easier for you to keep a specific look to your Instagram feed or to your photos in general. So this is also a great way to create unity to your work and to make your photos look like you. If you like this tip and if it helps you, please help me back by simply hitting the like button, and also please consider subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it a whole lot. This was a pretty short one, I guess, wasn't it? That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching me, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!